Imagine creating viral AI product ads in under 1 minute, without hiring influencers, filming videos, or spending a fortune. In this video, I'll show you how to use UGCVideo.ai to create realistic AI UGC ads, talking videos, and motion videos that can help your product stand out on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. Let's get started. Creating high-quality AI UGC videos has never been easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic AI product ads using UGCVideo.ai, step by step. When you open the website, you'll see several AI tools, including UGC Character, UGC Ad Video, UGC Image, UGC Video, and under each tool, you'll also find talking video and motion sync options. Before we start creating videos, let me quickly explain what each tool does. The first option is UGC Character. This is where you can create your own AI influencer or choose one from the community library. These AI characters can be used for UGC ads, talking videos, motion videos, and many other projects. The next option is UGC Image. This tool lets you generate high-quality AI images of your influencer or create custom images for your marketing campaigns. Next is UGC Video. This feature allows you to create complete AI UGC videos using your AI character. You can also create talking videos and motion sync videos from here. Now, let's start by creating our AI character. Open the UGC Character section. You can generate a brand new AI influencer or choose one from the community library. Once your character is ready, you can easily create a UGC image, UGC video, talking video, motion sync video, or a UGC ad video using the same character. Our character is now ready. Next, let's explore the motion sync feature. Here, you can upload your own influencer image or choose one from the built-in library. For this tutorial, I'll use a library character, but you can also try community influencers or upload your own image. Now, enter a motion prompt. This prompt tells the AI how you want the influencer to move, gesture, or behave during the video. After that, choose the video aspect ratio. Since I want two different versions, I'll select the X2 option and click Generate. Now, let's create our AI UGC product advertisement. Open the UGC Ad Video tool and upload your product image or any reference image you want to promote. Next, select an AI influencer. The platform offers many characters with different ages, styles, and appearances. Choose the one that best fits your product, or use the custom character you created earlier. Now write your product prompt. Describe what you want the AI influencer to say about your product. Then choose the video aspect ratio, video length, and the number of variations you want to generate. Next, select an AI voice. You can preview different voices before choosing your favorite one. The platform also lets you create videos in different formats for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and other social media platforms. I'll choose the X2 option again to generate two versions of the ad. The credit cost depends on the video length and the number of variations you select. Everything is ready. Click Generate, and the AI will begin creating your UGC video. It usually takes just a few minutes. While the videos are being generated, now all of our videos are ready. Let's watch the results.
Hey gamers, tired of basic controllers? Check out what I just found. This is the Mamba wireless controller, and it is a total game changer. It has a built-in screen. You can tweak settings instantly without pausing your game. Plus, that RGB lighting is sick. And when you're done, just drop it on this sleek charging dock, always ready for your next session. Upgrade your setup right now. Click the link to grab yours.
Check out the DRI. Check out this amazing product. It's absolutely wonderful. It really brings the best quality to the table.
As you can see, the AI influencer looks natural, the voice sounds realistic, and the final videos are high quality. These videos are perfect for promoting products on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook ads, Shopify stores, and other social media platforms. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, dropshipper, e-commerce seller, affiliate marketer, or business owner, UGCVideo.ai makes it easy to create professional product ads without expensive equipment or hiring real influencers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy Skillify AI. Goodbye.